How does code switching affect Latino family communication? Imagine a family gathering where everyone is talking, but some are switching between Spanish and English seamlessly. This dance of language is called code switching, and it plays a big role in how Latino families connect. Many Latino families in the United States live in a bilingual world where Spanish and English coexist. Children often switch languages depending on who they are talking to or what they are discussing. For example, they might speak Spanish with their parents but switch to English with friends or siblings. This flexibility helps families communicate effectively in a mixed language environment. However, it can also create some challenges. If parents and children are more comfortable in different languages, it might be harder to share feelings or understand each other fully. Younger family members might use more English or a mix of both languages, while older generations prefer Spanish. This difference can make conversations feel less personal or more formal, which might lead to feelings of distance. Sometimes, older family members may feel left out if they do not understand the language switches. Another issue is shared language erosion. This happens when parents mainly speak Spanish and children grow up speaking English. Over time, they might lose some of their shared vocabulary or expressions. This can make it harder to connect emotionally or share family stories. Families often try to bridge this gap by using code switching or involving relatives to translate. Still, persistent language differences can weaken family bonds and affect how children see their cultural identity. Parents often use code switching as a tool to help their children become bilingual. They might switch languages to teach new words or explain cultural traditions. When parents respond in a consistent language, it helps children develop balanced bilingual skills. This skill is useful for social situations outside the family, like school or work. But some parents prefer to speak only Spanish at home to preserve their heritage. This can cause tension if children want to mix languages or mainly use English outside the home. Balancing language use is a common parenting challenge. Encouraging children to speak both languages comfortably can strengthen family ties and cultural pride. It's important for families to understand that code switching is natural and can be a way to connect across generations. When families communicate openly and respect each other's language preferences, they build stronger relationships. Recognizing the role of code switching helps families support their children's bilingual development while maintaining their cultural roots. So, understanding how language mixing influences family conversations can help parents create a supportive environment where everyone feels heard and valued.